Ready? Start. Accordingly, in the writ petitions, direction was sought to the respondent oil companies to supply petrol/diesel to the members of the appellants on weight basis and alternatively to give temperature adjustment at the time of preparing invoice of the dealers and seeking a direction to the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas to ensure compliance by the respondent oil companies of the provisions of the Legal Metrology Act. Stop stanza. The learned single judge dismissed the writ petitions accepting the preliminary contention of the counsel for the respondent oil companies that the dispute and difference, if any, which the members of the appellants had with the respondent oil companies in this regard was to be resolved by arbitration provided for in the agreement entered into by each of the said members of the appellants with the respective oil companies and holding the writ petitions to be not maintainable on this ground, liberty was, however, given to agitate the grievance in accordance with the dispute resolution mechanism provided for in the agreement between the members of the appellants and the respective oil companies. Stop. It was further observed that the liberty given by the Supreme Court while dismissing the appeal preferred against the order of the compact was to raise the dispute before the appropriate form and which was to arbitration and not under Article 226 of the Constitution of India. Stop stanza. The appellants in the memorandums of appeal, rather than addressing the reasoning given by the learned single judge for holding the writ petitions to be not maintainable, have parrot like repeated the averments in the writ petitions. Stop. The counsel for the appellants also, in spite of our repeated asking as to whether not a direction to the respondent oil companies as sought to supply petrol/diesel to the members of the appellants by weight, that is in kilograms, instead of by volume, that is in liters, would amount to changing the agreement entered into between the members of the appellants and the respective oil companies, and whether it is permissible and appropriate in exercise of powers under Article 226 of the Constitution of India to so change the agreement, and as to what would be the consequences of the same on the other terms of the agreement, did not choose to reply. Stop. In fact, in spite of our prodding on the earlier date in this regard, no copy of the agreements so entered into have even been produced, and along with the memorandums of appeal, only the extract of the arbitration clause in the agreement has been annexed. Stop. Over.